You're moments away from beginning your new ritual to align your chakras. Know that when you adorn yourself with this perfume, you're not just adorning your skin with the scent, you're enveloping yourself in the rejuvenating power of the energy of the atoms within. Gifts passed down from the natural world to uplift and energize your spirit. Let's show you how to get started. Once your crystal-infused perfume arrives and you unbox your gift, you will find one beautifully carved and polished, authentic, refillable crystal stone perfume bottle. 4 curated 25 milliliter unisex eau de parfum vials designed to enhance the power of your crystal. To begin, step 1. Unscrew the cap of the large crystal stone. Step 2. Pour 1 fragrance vial into the heart of your crystal. Step 3. Close the cap and keep the remaining 3 vials away for future moments of delight. Step 4. Spray and allow the fragrant mist, charged with the radiant energy of the crystal, to envelop you in positive energy and align with your spirit's innate opulence. Continue this mindful practice of focusing on your energy with each spritz at the start of every day and witness the abundance and opulence that life has in store for you unfold.